Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Today is the National Handloom Day. So please try to wear the khadi dress which gives cool, comfort and rich looks. When late Dr. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy was the CM of AP in 2004, he made us to wear the khadi compulsorily, particularly on Saturdays. So of course it is up to you whether to wear or not, but better, my advice is, as an elder, I am advising you, please wear khadi, because the handloom weavers, they are in dire need for compensation. Today, Madam Nirmala Sitharaman, she is going to Pandur khadi, very famous khadi, but still it is not given any geographical identification. Right. Coming to our legal topics. Yesterday, there are two funny incidents which took place in the Honorable Supreme Court of India. One is a serious issue. Of course, the second one, we can take it in a lighter vein. While discussing the case of TRAI, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, cases against TRAI, you may be knowing the 2G, 4G, 5G, all these things, it will be decided by the TRAI. So while filing a case against the TRAI, the advocate Shri Abhishek Manu Singhvi and his posse of lawyers, they have filed 51 volumes of records. 51 volumes of records. On seeing the same, the CJI, Sri N.V. Ramana, was perplexed and he expressed displeasure at the highly voluminous petitions being filed by the parties before the Supreme Court. He used the word, this is important. You wanted to terrorize the judges and therefore you are filing the bulky volumes. You don't want judges to study the matter, because once the matter is heavy or bulky, normally we may not tend to read the same in full. Suppose if it is short, clear, crisp, it is easy for discussion or easy for reading. So, do you want to terrorize the judges? The Chief Justice of India wondered if the purpose of such bulky filing was to terrorize the judges and make them not read the petitions in entirety or entirely. So, while considering matters relating to TRAI, 51 volumes of petitions were filed, and CJI has jocularly noted that a lorry has to be engaged or a lorry has to be arranged for carrying this much of bulk or voluminous petition. In the words of CJI, you filed the special petition with 51 volumes. The purpose seems to be judge should not read anything. So he asked the lawyers to sit together and file a shorter compilation. Of course, Abhishek Manu Singhvi immediately retorted and he stated that he will reduce the same to 2 pages. So, and in the second part is 2 pages, and tomorrow matter is posted to 8th or 9th, it will be done. Right. And second case is the Amazon Flipkart case filed by the Competition Commission of India. Competition Commission of India filed a case against the so-called giants, that is e-commerce giants like Amazon and Flipkart, that they are indulging in against the competitions. That means they are encouraging only certain companies, not all companies, thereby the other companies are put to loss. To be precise, I want to tell you, suppose if you want to purchase a mobile phone in the local market, you have to spend 14,500. Suppose if you go online, you will get it for 12,500, that too by the specified purchasers, sellers of the Amazon. Of course, they are having some tie-up with them, but still it comes against to the competition rules. Therefore, they have filed a case. So in this case, the funniest part is there are 78 advocates appearing on behalf of Amazon and Flipkart, including led by very famous senior advocate Gopal Subramaniam. 78 leaders. CJA was actually he also felt discomfort in answering all these people. Of course, all of them came online. Only Gopal Subramaniam, he has spoken on behalf of the Amazon and the Flipkart company. So, what Supreme Court Chief Justice says is, don't file volume so much of. If necessary, definitely you can file. If it is not necessary, you need not file. Don't be under the impression that if you file bulky volumes of petitions, they will be taken into consideration. Never. Only the sum and substance will be taken. My dear friends, as advocates, tomorrow we also try to be brief as follows, because everybody, time is short for everybody, time is precious for everybody. Even the judge, after your judgment, he has to, after your arguments, he has to hear the other side arguments also. The time is very, very limited. Therefore, try to be brief. That's why we call it our, any person comes and gives the case, we call it as a brief. It means it should be brief, clear, crisp, and to the point. So make it a point that you need not file voluminous files. If the matter is there, simple 2 or 3 pages affidavit is also sufficient. This is what the CJA expressed in the Open Supreme Court. Thank you very much.